Scanreco transmitter test mode. I'm gonna release the e-stop, push the on button, wait till the lights come on, push it continually until you get that beep and then that light blink. Make sure your volume pot is turned to 10. So this volume pot's at 10. If you turn it down, you can tell it's working. The beeping increases to tell you that pot is good. You can check all functions, on, off on each function, on one beep, off another beep. And then joysticks, you can check proportionality. It's a good test you can perform if you're worried a switch is damaged or broken or not functioning correctly. Yeah, on, off, reverse, forward, all functions.